First, I'll do some avocado oil, garlic, and our family secret, brown sugar. And start putting your chicken in. Flip it around. I love the brown. While that's cooking, we're gonna start on the rice. Let me go get a pot. This is what I'm gonna be using for my rice and beans. And yes, I washed the rice, okay? Canned beans? No thank you. Salt, onions, coconut oil, coconut powder, mix. Ooh, perfect. I know that in Belize you use the real coconut, but this is just my fast way. I don't have coconuts right now. Let's make the potato salad. Mash it up. Let's steam these veggies a little. Yum. Ooh, let's check on that chicken. Ooh. Time for the gravy. Use your favorite garnishes. Smelling so good. Let's air fry them, because you know, we gotta keep it healthy. Wow, doesn't that look so good? Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. Let me know what I should do next.